Hello everyone, this is Mirror Tech and I'm an Angel. We are going to do a series of polishing testing, and today I will polish two phones by this smaller machine. In the future, we will do more demos by different type of polishing machines, so please follow us. Now I'm going to polishing these two phones. Let's check the scratches. This is the iPhone 8 Plus, and we can see the scratches on screen. And this is a Samsung. This is a Samsung S10 Plus. It's a edge screen phone. And we can see a lot of scratches on the screen, but there are two scratches are too bad, and by our experiences, these two scratches cannot be removed if only by the wet polish machine. But we have deep scratches remover. Work on those deep scratches. Phones to build a waterproof. The glue machine can work on two phones at one time and do perfectly work. Almost 20 times more than faster than do it by hand. Now we glue the earpiece, just a little, and the home button. Also, the sensor earpiece. Now we put the phones into machine. The earpiece is glued it. I found it. The smaller machine only use the waste, don't have to use the air compressor. So this machine has no noise. It sounds like a fan. Turn the machine on and set the timer. The timer is 10 minutes, but due to there are so many scratches, so we set it at I think at 20 minutes. Okay, and start the machine. The machine is running, and pull the cover down. Let's see the inside. 20 minutes later, let's check the results. The glue builds a strong waterproof, and water cannot go inside.好了，绕成呀。好了。哪有这个？Okay, the water was wiped out, and let's check the results. This is the iPhone 8 Plus, and we can see all the scratches are gone. And for the Samsung 10 Plus, all the slight scratches are gone, but there are 2 scratches on the screen. We can see they are still here. So this is a real results for the wet polish machine. But we have another one. A grinding machine can work on those badly scratches. 1, 2, and 3 scratches on S10 Plus. In the future videos, we will show you how to remove those badly scratches by our grinding machine. Okay, this is today's testing, and in the future we will try the iWatch in another machine, maybe the 2021, the newest one. If you have any suggestion, please leave me a message and I will check it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.